Can you imagine increasing your monthly revenue by $40,000 to $70,000 per month? We are digital media marketing experts in New York City who will assist you in scaling up your dental practice. So ask yourself, just how profitable is your dental practice? And could your practice be more profitable? Is your practice growing at the rate you want? Are you seeing enough new patients? On average, for every new Invisalign patient, the entire Invisalign process earns dentists from $2,000 to $2,500 net profit after expenses. What we're talking about here is combining your passion for excellent patient care with the fact that your practice was, after all, set up as a for-profit. If your practice can accept from 3 to 7 new Invisalign patients per week. With only a 30% conversion rate, you're making over $700,000 net profit after expenses per year. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We are digital marketing experts. Our agency's back office services over 3,000 clients in over 40 countries. We are the real thing. We are America's premier digital media marketing advertising agency specializing in scaling up dental practices. We know how to get you hundreds of highly motivated, pre-qualified new patients wanting Invisalign. We keep on sharing your local target market lots and lots of beautiful Invisalign new patient digital billboard ads. We know that these people are all thinking about Invisalign. So if these people are indeed seriously looking for Invisalign, and after they have seen and heard enough about it, they will ultimately choose one of your ads. And you might be asking yourself, how many of these 100 new patient leads can I convert into profitable Invisalign patients? As you can see, with only a 20% conversion rate, you'll get 20 new patients and a $40,000 net profit, which gives you back 8 times what you've spent. You get to decide what discount offer you want to make. And we know that these ads are the kinds of ads that really pull in a lot of interest and response. And we know that these ads are the type of ads that convert into many of the highly profitable Invisalign patients. You just see this beautiful tooth. It just bounces out at you. And her beautiful smile just pops out. You see $1,500 off with interest-free financing. Here's $750 off, their biggest offer yet. And here's their branding with their logo and their dentistry information, their location. Can you imagine converting 30% to 40% or more of these Invisalign new patient leads? How would an additional $60,000 to $80,000 net profit per month change your practice? This is exactly what other dentists are doing nationwide, and you can too. Why shouldn't your practice be making these kind of additional monthly profits? Can you see yourself accomplishing all this? Can you envision how $500,000 to $800,000 in additional yearly net profits would change your life? And that's where we come in. Schedule a time to talk. So click below and get our website to schedule a time, and we'll be speaking to you soon.